So that I will show you. Now I am taking to the PowerPoint presentation. Noble sir, can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir. I can
So
see it.
all of you see so many things I am not going to use. I am not going to use any third-party softwares like teaching. Many other softwares are required to write, to erase, to bring up the boards, to zoom in. So all these things you can do while presenting the slideshow. So what are those things? Just I will give you just a glimpse. So this is, you can see while you presenting in the slideshow, this arrow mark symbol can be seen. Now what I can do this one, I can simply convert this into the pen. So whatever I want, I can draw. I'm not using anything, any extra software. So whatever I can do. If I don't want, if I want to erase, so I can erase some other part. The arrow mark is changing, so I can erase. If I want to erase everything, what I can do, I can simply erase everything. Now, my PowerPoint slide is fill up with this stuff. So I cannot write here, I want blackboard, for example. So what I will do, I can bring blackboard also. So blackboard came, here also whatever I want, I can draw. Whatever, so proper way you can design the board. So left side something you are explaining, right side you are explaining something. So in a proper way, so this can be focused more if you are explaining this one. So I can come back this also. If I want, I can come back. Okay, blackboard, the students may not liking. So if I want whiteboard, obviously fine, I can make it as a whiteboard. So many things you can do here also. Whatever you want to write, you can write it is simply. Very well. If I want to back, once again I can come back. Okay, I don't want to write anything. I am a language teacher. I don't want to write anything, but I am narrating the story. I want laser point. So what I will do, I can bring a laser point also. So wherever I want, I can go. Now, if I want to highlight, so laser point I don't want. I want to highlight something. So some important thing. So I can do highlight also. If I want to zoom something, so that also can be zoom it is. So I will remove this. I will erase this. So if I want to zoom, that also can be done. Like whatever the part. So you can imagine, see so many things I am using here. So many things. I'm not using any third-party software. What happens if you use third-party softwares that will struck it in between? So that will make it bored. So many things you can do. So all these things I am going to tell you, which usually many of you may not know all these things. So that is the reason I want to share something which will be useful for you while you present. So I will may fail if some inspection is going, and I will may fail on that day, some if internet or something. But if you do all these things, you will be praised, you will be rewarded. That's how the end of the day you will get the satisfaction. And most thing is students will like. Okay, so now I will take you to the presentation. Actually what I am doing, so you can open your presentation. Those things you can also try. While I show, you can also, so that can be experiential learning. So now I am going back here. And what I will do, how I am bringing the pen. How I am bringing the pen, basically, I am pressing the Control P. If I press the Control P, so I can get the pen. So arrow mark will be changed into the pen automatically. If I want to erase something, so what I am doing here, Control E I am pressing. Control, and these are easy to remember. It is not like for paste. Control V we have to do. But here it is E is coming. Erase. So whatever the shortcuts I am going to tell you, tricks. So these are things easily can be remembered. So if I press Control E, what happens? That will convert into the eraser. So if you press Control plus E, so I can erase. If I want to erase everything on the board, what I have to do? Simply I have to press the E. That's it. If I press E, the things whatever it is there on the screen, everything will be removed. So this is the first thing which I wanted to share with you, how that can become. First one is the Control, you have to press P. In a normal way, it works for this shortcut is only for print purpose. So whenever you want to create, so this is used like that. Which one? Control P. And Control E to remove smaller things. Total E, if you press the E, you can remove each and everything. So this is what about the pen and eraser. Now what I will do, I will remove this one and I will take it to the next trick. B, you have to just simply press the B option. That's it. You have to press the B option. B, the letter. You will get whatever it is. Screen. Now, once again, if you press B, you can come back to your normal mode. For Blackboard, what you have to do? You have to press B. If you don't want Blackboard, you can come back. So these are the things. Not only what I will do, I will come in front of you. These are the things not only in the online teaching. So if you become a research person in the future also, as like our principal sir gives PowerPoint presentations in front of the audience, you have to give. So do get that to attract the audience in front of you. Okay, what happens while you talk? They focus on the screen, whatever it is there. Simply you can press the B, that will be masked. So audience will be focus on you, whatever you are talking. So there also, it is not like the skills, whatever I am talking, it is not just for online teaching. This can be applicable wherever it is. Now, what I will do now, once again, I will go back to my presentation. Where I am here. Okay. So that's what about the Blackboard. You can bring the Blackboard and you can use that. Now, what is the next one? Whiteboard. So what you have to do for whiteboard? You have to press the just W. That's it. Whiteboard will come. You can write whatever you want. You can write whatever it is. In a proper way, you can write. You can draw the diagrams also. You can do so many things, which we can't do in real life also, in real offline classes also. So many things. So this is the whiteboard option. So for go back, once again. So once again, you have to press the W. So this is what for whiteboard you have to do. What you have to do next? Highlighter. So I mentioned that highlighter. So to some important points, we are teaching something. So if you want to highlight, what you have to do, you have to use Control plus I. Control plus I. So if I do that one, so that option will come. Simply Control plus I, because this whatever the symbol is coming, that is like I option. So that is the reason that is set for like this, Control plus I. If you press the Control plus I, you will get the highlighter. If you want to back the arrow, you can press Control I or you can press a Control E. That can become once again arrow mark symbol. And if you want to erase something, what you can do, you can simply press E. Next option, laser pointer. So if diagram, so this especially for language teachers can be used it is. So for language teachers, no need to write so many things. So there are so many options. You have to justify yourself that when to use, what to use, how to use. That's it. So you are a language teacher, you are narrating story and you are writing something, so that will look good. So you can use like simple highlighters, simple lighter, that will looks very beautiful. So how you can bring this one? You can press simply Control plus L. So that wherever, so if I want to emphasize this element, so I can go and I will talk about this one, because so many things are right. So the same way when you are presenting the diagram or some other things, so you can focus that one. What you have to do, you have to press simply Control plus L. That's it. Now what I will do, we will see what is the next one. So what happens sometimes, students ask some questions like, sir, can you go back to the second slide? Can you go back to the third slide? Can you explain what is happening there? So to navigate to the quickly, so you can use this option. What is that option? That you have to press that number, whatever the number. For example, I want to go to the fifth slide, for example. So I can simply click the 5 and you can press the enter. So that will go to the fifth slide. If I want to go to the 10th slide, you can go to the 10th slide. You have to just press that number and you have what you have to do, you have to enter. Press that particular number and you have to enter. Or if you don't want that, if you are forgetting which slide that is, so what you have to do, you have to simply press the Control plus yes. So whatever the presentation slides are there, so all slides will be there. So you can switch into the whatever the slide you want, and you have to click on this go to option. So I was in the 7th slide, so I will click the 7th and I will come back to the 7th option. So this is the one of the most important useful one while you presenting in a slideshow mode. And another beautiful option is zoom option. So you want to focus on something. If you want to, for example, if I want to show some like hat option, so it is for the students, it will be difficult to find. So anywhere this can be option. So what I can do, I can simply press the plus option. What I will do, I will press the plus option and I will zoom it. And I can move around, so you can play around whatever it is. Now students will feel it's really good, so they can see, you can explain. So to go back, you can press simply escape symbol, or you can press simply minus symbol also. So there is another option to navigate to the different slides. You keep press the minus button. If you keep press the minus button, what happens? All slides will appear here. So whatever the slide you want, that you can click. So that is another option, another way to reach. Okay. So these are the few important options which one need to know. And another important thing is we are teaching now. Okay, I am navigating quickly. I am in the slideshow. Now I am quickly navigating to here. So what you have to do for that one? You have to use the one shortcut key, which is the Control plus Alt plus Tab. If you practice, initially this will be difficult. Initially this will be difficult for everyone. So if you keep practice, everything window will come here. So whatever you want, you can, that window, particular window, you can easily navigate.